You know Greg Diudo? His grandfather died of cancer. They froze his head till they find a cure.
Mary? Carmela?
Hugh! Hugh!
Oh. For the poor box.
Thank you.
I'm going to check out the hearse.
Don't get lost, AJ.
Well, I'll see you out it.
See you, Fana.
Come here, you. Let me look at you.
Hey, come here. Why'd you tell me your old man was coming?
He wanted to surprise you.
Oh, you mean old prick. Thought you were in Miami playing shuffleboard.
It's too hot there. I come up to see the grandkids, you know, and my doctor's here.
Yeah, Bobby said you weren't feeling too good. How you doing?
I'm gonna bring the car around.
Oh, I'm sorry about your uncle.
Well, actually, Febby was Carmelo's uncle.
Buona anima. You should rest in peace.
94 pounds when he died, Carmen's mom was saying.
He was always thin. What do you expect?
As long as I got you here. Your godson, Mustang Sally and Tile. He did a Trevino for a guy's head.
Little prick is my godson in name only. I only stood up as a favor to his father.
Well, I'm just saying, because this isn't the first time.
I'll do whatever you gotta do.
All right, just so you heard it from me.
Thank you. And I want you to know that I appreciate you looking out for Bobby.
Bobby, what are you kidding me? It's been a huge help with my uncle.
That one don't need any help. They're out of the jail on the fucking medical. That makes me laugh, your uncle. That's right, we're talking about you, you cagey fuck.
Huh?
You got him all fooled.
Yeah, that's right.
There's Bobby. Look, I'm sorry for your loss. Okay?
See you later.
Okay.
Hey, the fuck? He's really sick?
That cough.
What do you want? Smoke those camel seats in short pants.
Lung cancer? Oh, fuck, Bono.
Another toothpick.
What the hell kind of way is that to talk about a sick person?